Wow, breaking news of the highest order. Breaking news of the highest order. Kaizer Chiefs have taken a decision to sack coach Nabi. The details should be made clear in a statement released by the club, but as it turns out, it may be due to a breach of contract. The coach not having a valid license to be able to sit on the bench for a CAF Confederation Cup fixture, because if Kaizer Chiefs go further, that means they would go into the continental competition without their head coach, and therefore this is being seen as a breach of contract. The coach, when he got the job, would have been in a position to, or would have claimed that he's got a valid CAF equivalent qualification to be able to sit on the bench for these competitions when Chiefs do eventually return. And by virtue of winning the Nedbank Cup, Chiefs return to the CAF Confed Cup, and Coach Nabi does not have the papers, the documents to be able to sit on the bench. So the club has decided to sack the coach. So here we go, Kaizer Chiefs without a coach. I'm sure Coach Khalid and Coach Kaizer will be the ones taking over moving forward. Now keep it locked on all my social media platforms for these developments and more around the Betway Premiership and African football.